Alright, so this is my 5-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain Telescope. It is F10, which is really good for planets, but not so good for astrophotography since it collects light very slowly. It takes a lot of exposure to image like this. I have imaged before like that, but it's mainly for small galaxies and stuff like that and brighter targets. For dimmer targets you want a faster setup. So how do we achieve that? As you can see, we have to use a focal reducer, which is this one. This is a focal reducer F6.3, which means it reduces the focal length to about 780 millimeters, something like that. You do the focal length in this case of this one is 1250 millimeters, and you do division, you do times 0.63 to find how much will be the focal length. So as you can see, this is the reducer. This is specifically made for a Cassegrain telescope. In this case, this is a angelized focal reducer. You can get the Celestron one, but this is cheaper and it's practically the same quality. This just threads on here. This on the back of the SCP, and I'll give you a good shot. And you have to use these adapters. This is a Celestron T adapter. As you can see, this 50 millimeter spacing, because from this reducer to the camera you need 105 millimeters spacing. It's important to get that spacing, as if you don't, it will be bad stars and stuff like that. So you need this 50 millimeters. You need a 21 millimeter spacer like this, and the 16 millimeter one. Now, the 16 millimeter one, I believe this is some M48 thread inside, and this is M42. And this is a bit bigger, as you can see. It doesn't fit inside here. So that's why you need this ring. This ring is an M42 by M48. So this one is M42 on both sides actually. This one is M48 and M42 on this side, so they are a bit different. These came with my astronomy camera, but I don't know if you will have them with yours. And what we do is first connect the T adapter. Just fits like that. Now second is connect the 21 millimeters. Okay. Now next, we connect the ring adapter, and then we connect the 16 millimeter adapter spacer. That's it. And then we connect the camera. Now the camera in itself, from this spacer to the sensor, there is 17.5 millimeters back focus. Now if you add all the spacing and this one, it will come to 104.5 millimeters. It's close enough. You can't unless you use. You can't get it like super that exactly unless you use some kind of spacer. But it's good enough. I tested this and it works with my cameras. The stars are good, so as you can see, it will be like this, a bit tall, so be careful. With the Adventure HDI it balances like this, but be careful if you have a mount, maybe an Altus mount that does not clear this length of spaces. Be careful because it will hit. And that's how you reduce your SCT telescope to F6.3, and it will be perfect for doing astrophotography like this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and clear skies.